We are having 22 people and only 12 have given the response. Guys, quick, because it will help us to analyze like what is your expectations from the session and what you will take away home today. Okay, cool. Thank you. I hope all have answered. So this was all about. Thank you for this. So can we start? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you have gone through this last time's PDF shared. Yes or no? Isha, are we ready? Tamal,
Yes, sir.
transfer me the host, okay? Isha, are we ready? Isha, are you there? I think she's not. Isha, are you there? Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so let me check the charge. Hello, am I audible?
Hello, hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, finally. Sorry, there is going to be some internet issues from my end. I'll try my best to deliver things, but please bear.
No worries, I'm here to break up. So, guys, all okay? So we can start. Isha, you can share your screen.
Yeah, I'm sharing. Yeah, is it visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine, fine. So, have you all like revised in concepts for your momentum transfer? Like, what are the major questions that come, and what are the like common concepts utilized? Anybody?
Yes.
So the first
Yes,
most
ma'am.
common.
Isha,
Huh?
just drive them for a couple of 5 minutes for those topics.
Yeah, fine. So I'll just quickly give you the glimpse of what kind of questions come, and then I'll tell you like what is your approach, what your approach should be, how you should like what formulas you should apply to solve those questions. So first and foremost, the most important question that comes is from okay, Reynolds number. Now, who is going to tell me the formula for Reynolds number?
Rho VD by mu.
Correct. Very good. So this is our major formula for Reynolds number, and they'll give you all the data, etc., etc. With the trick here usually is, instead of giving the velocity, which is the here V, they'll give you the discharge, which is usually Q, denoted with Q. So for that, you'll have to use that formula Q equal to A into V, and then they'll give you diameter. So for diameter, you'll have to use pi d square by 4, and then you have to find out the velocity value here. Then you apply it here. If you want to go ahead with this, fine, it's your choice. When previously I took the class, I told then also, and I'm going to tell you all again now, that if you are comfortable with remembering just another simple formula, which will come to you once you practice the questions of GATE previous year, because every question that came for Reynolds number, they gave discharge only. They did not give velocity. So if you are comfortable, you can remember this formula, 4 rho Q by pi mu D. Previous years, like the students who attended the class I took previously, they'll know this, and you'll know how handy this formula comes, where this formula is derived from this whole process only. So I'm like subtracting this process and just giving you the direct way to solve the questions. You'll have all these data. You just directly apply it in this form calculator only. You don't even need to write it down in your rough sheet. All you have to do is just put the values in your calculator and you'll get your answer. Fine.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next comes the power related questions, power output, power input. For that, the input for power is given by mass flow rate into actual work done by the power, which is usually the head loss of the pump divided by the efficiency. Okay, they'll give you head loss of the pump, they'll give you mass flow rate, and they'll give you the efficiency. If they have asked you the power input, this will be your formula. But if they have asked you for the output, like what actual output we will get, for that you'll have to multiply the efficiency with the input power, because that will be higher as compared to the efficiency will be divided in case of the input. Got it? This is the second thing. Another thing you will get is the power pump affinity loss. Sorry, pump affinity loss. The most common thing you can remember here is the power number thing. Power is equal to given by power number into rho into n here is the number of rotations, that power to the power 3, and d power 5, where d is the diameter of your impeller of the pump. Fine. You'll write these formulas down because you'll need to apply these in the most common questions that come. Fine. This is 3. Another thing you will come across is when there is a cylindrical flow. Is there a next slide? There is no next slide. Okay, fine. I'll write it here only. Another thing you'll come across. You all wrote it, right? Because now it won't be visible. Wrote it, no? Wrote all the formulas.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is going to be this cylindrical pipe, and they'll ask you about the velocity, about the shear stress, head loss, etc., for these the flow inside this cylinder. So if you are considering this, I've given the names and all. I've explained these kind of flows in very much detail in the classes I took previously. So if you want to know, you can go ahead and check those lectures out. Here I'll quickly just give you what we have to apply. So here R is our radius of the pipe, L would be the length of the pipe, and shear stress is happening across the wall, and there is going to be some velocity U by which it is flowing. Let us say there is some pressure P1, pressure P2. So this will be the small distance. If we take, it will be our dx or delta x, and small pressure drop will be delta P, which is P2 minus P1, right? So our U, which is the velocity profile, it is given by 1 by 4 mu dp by dx, capital R square minus small r square, where small r is the capital R is the original full radius of the cylindrical pipe, and our small r is the point where they have asked us to find out the velocity. Like say, this is my pipe, this is my r, and they have asked us to find out the velocity at, like, let's say this r is some 5 meter, for example, okay, and they have asked us to find the velocity of the flow at some radius 3 meter. So our small r here, this will be your 3 meter. Got it? It will depend on question where they have asked. And this is your formula for u or the velocity, and your shear stress, it will be given by r by 2 dp by dx, where r is your the radius where they have asked, dp by dx is your pressure gradient. You found it, like they will give you directly that pressure gradient, or they will write the pressure drop is this across some length this. So your pressure drop will be some suppose say 30 kilopascal across the length 5 meter. So they'll give, you have to apply it like this. Fine. Is it clear up to this much?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
start solving questions and then we'll see what else we have got to do. Okay. So if you have written this down, everything down, I'll change the slides. These notations we will not get back. Okay. I'm having some issues here from my end. So if you have written it down, then I'll change. Shall I change the slide?
Okay.
Okay, fine. So this is your first question. Tamal, you can put up
Ma'am,
the.
can you just show the previous slide for a minute?
It went. See, I told you, no.
Isha, before rubbing, just take
I'm
a
not
confirmation.
rubbing.
No.
I'm-
I know, no. Once you are done, ask them their written. If you get confirmation, then only you rub. Okay.
I asked everybody, right? I
Yeah.
asked everybody, people answered. Okay,
So
fine.
those
You
who-
tell me, wait. You tell me which part you did not, you were missed. I'll write it down once again.
And the shear stress.
Shear stress is R by 2, dou P by dou X.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine.
all
So-
these things are already shared with you in a PDF. So no need to worry if something is missed. Okay.
Don't worry about that. But for the timing, you will need this formula. So I suggest you write it down so that you can apply them. So yeah, the first question is here, and go ahead. You have been given with all the tools you need to solve the question. So try. Let's see.
And poll is also being shared. So you can check those also.
Answer in the poll, and is it possible to give us a timer?
Yeah, sure.
Hmm.
How many minutes you need? 2 minutes, fine. More than enough.
Okay. Like previous class also, and this time also, I told you do not need to use your pen here either. I gave you the direct formula where you can just put the values in your calculator and get your answer. It's like 30-second question if you are quick with your calculator. But be very careful of the units. I will give you one hint. Be careful of the units. Everything should be in SI, like under meter, second, kg. These should be there. Pascal.
Ma'am, 492.7.
Don't speak your answer. I am saying again.
Don't give your answer in chat box or on your mic. Just write it. Click your answer on the poll. I think the poll is visible, right?
Is it visible, everyone?
No, ma'am.
How come the poll is not visible?
I can't see. I can't see.
But
Others, can you see the poll?
how
No.
many people can't
Yes,
see?
sir. Yes, sir. It's visible.
Just unpin the your screen that has been shared and then check once again. You'll see that there is some little bit of pop-up coming up called polls.
मैम पोल में क्लिक नहीं हो रहा है
Why?
See it.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on. Now,
I think now it will be visible. Possible.
now is it possible to click on the poll?
Yes,
देखो
sir.
इस पर सबमिट नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि एक साथ शायद 10 क्वेश्चंस है।
हाँ. We'll do something, okay, from next poll.
You just break it down these polls and release them. separately.
Tamal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Do one thing ना, एक क्वेश्चन को एक पोल में कन्वर्ट करना, मोमेंटम ट्रांसफर 1 2 ऐसा मत करना.
Okay, okay, sir.
Sorry, but I think this is not going well. Okay.
It's fine. It's fine. No worries. People have given answer and they're correct only. So what you did, how many of you like used this? And how many of you used this? Tell me.
Second one.
So what we had to do, just write density is 1032. Q here we had to be careful with. It is given in liter per second. We had to convert it in meter cube per second, right? Then pi mu 0.2 and d here is 4 centimeter. So this is coming as something around 492 point something, right? So, okay, confident. Now I'll move to the next question. Okay, this one. CD.
Ma'am, first one.
Write your options in the chat box. Everybody, I want all of your answers. Type the answer you have in your chat box. Very good. All of you lost marks. This would have been a 2-mark question. 2-mark question. And all of you got 0. Because you did not read the question nicely. Reynolds number is what? Rho Vd by mu. You have to go through all the options carefully. We can also write this as Vd by nu, right? Where nu is our kinematic viscosity, which is given by mu by rho. Is it? Do you
Yes,
remember?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
only
ma'am.
Mayank gave the correct answer. Be very careful when you read the questions. Don't jump into conclusions just because you saw the answer in the first option. They will give you tricks so that you lose marks. So this can be. Okay? Everybody? Will you be more careful when you read the question from more likely the
Isha, signal gone. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Isha, are you there? Nothing. Okay. So what is the issue came with this question? Anyone?
Sir, it was kinematic viscosity.
और तुमने क्या यूज किया?
मैंने बी करा था सर, सही था
Why?
मेरा? नहीं, मेरा सही था.
अच्छा, okay. The one who got wrong answer. Can anyone? What was the problem with you? अरे बोलो भाई.
Just see the
Hello?
first question
Yeah,
and
Isha, take it.
I'm sorry, very sorry, guys. Network issue. How far did you listen? How far could you listen to me? Did you see what I wrote here? Like, were you there when I was explaining these?
no.
Okay. So sorry, very sorry. So as I saw, most of you wrote option A. Most of you wrote option A, only one person wrote option A, B. So what I was telling is, please be careful when you read question as well as the options also. Don't get excited when the first option is coming. Check out every other option. They can give you, like, sometime they will change the unit and make it an MSQ. Sometime they'll like give some other explanation and or alter, modify some formula like this one only, and they'll give them in the option. And you see only first option, it is there, you click it and then you lose marks. From 2, which is a easy 2 mark, you get 0, you lose 2 marks. Big thing, big problem, right? So we know that Reynolds number is rho VD by mu, which we also can write as VD by nu, where nu is our kinematic viscosity, which is the formula is mu by rho, right? So be careful, right? That was a lesson from this question. Everybody got it? You all know the formula, you all know it, but you were not being careful. Fine?
Fine.
Yeah, okay. Now, we take the next question. Bhavish? Sir? Hello?
Yeah, keep saying the question on this here. Guys, take the question and I'll be taking this question, okay? So for the timing, you can just see this pole. It is impeller diameter, right? Impeller diameter question, right?
Yeah.
Isha, can you check the answer? Can you submit the answer from here?
Okay, fine. I'll.
No, is it the pole working? Check it.
It is there. It is answerable.
Okay. Easy peasy, yes or no? Public.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Isha, if I'm say, guys, if I'm sharing whiteboard, is it visible? The slides are visible to you or not?
Are you sharing, sir? No.
I shared this slide. This.
Stop sharing. I'll stop sharing so that you can share.
I have shared this. Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Isha, have you answered it?
Yes, I can share.
Okay. So. Okay. Public. I can see only 9 people have answered out of 33. Not good, not good. Some are going 1 by 32, maximum are going 32, 1 by 16. So there is a distribution of answers everywhere. Visible, public.
Yes, sir.
Answer. How many got given the answer in the poll? Chat box में +1 करना. Cool. चलो मैं ले रहा हूँ question. So let's share this. What is the results coming? Results दिख रहा है क्या public?
हाँ sir.
What is the answer?
32.
Okay, so those who are from my regular class, उनने ये इक्वेशन आंख बंद करके सॉल्व किया होगा. अरे किया कि नहीं पब्लिक?
Yes, sir.
आंख बंद करके आंसर आ रहा होगा क्यों? Yeah.
Yes.
So what I have told you, P is directly proportional to D to the power what?
5.
So let's write down the formula first. Easy peasy. Okay. So according to the power number or power requirement is can anyone tell me the formula? अरे बोलोगे formula?
P is directly proportional to N to the power 3 and D to the power 5.
यही है ना?
हाँ सर.
और कुछ है क्या इसके साथ में? अरे बोलो.
Sir, density.
Really? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो आगे देखते हैं. But for the timing, you remember this. Power consumption or power requirement is directly proportional to this and this and this. So we have to remember P is proportional to D5 or when all others are constant and when everything is constant, density, viscosity, everything is constant. Okay. And P is directly proportional to D n cube when diameter and all other properties are constant. Same for Q, D cube, and this Q is directly proportional to n cube. Another term, any other one, public pressure, right? Pressure, na? One is power, discharge. Another is what? अरे भूल गए? Pressure head, right? It is proportional to what? D square. And P is directly proportional to what? N. अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
कोई गड़बड़ है क्या यहाँ पर डिस्चार्ज में n की वैल्यू में? Anyone? Quickly, if you want answer, I won't be going further.
Sir, N square.
N square होगा.
N square होगा sir, last one.
Here
Yeah.
also.
So how you have to write P? You write for remembering the concept. You remember in such a way. कोई बोल सकता है शुभम? What I have explained in the class. Q P P. Okay. Then when N and D. So यहाँ पर आएगा आपका 2, 1, 3. 213. And for D it is what? 2, 3, 5. Write down and this is the answer. So now apply the brain. Nothing else. कुछ भी नहीं करना है. So it is asking power. So P1 is directly proportional to what? D to the power 5. Then P2 is directly proportional to what? D to the power 5. What is saying? P1 by P2. If you take the ratio, nothing will go. All the things will cancel out and D1 by D2 to the power of 5. So what is saying? P2 is equal to D2 by D1 to the power of 5 of P1. Yes or no? What is saying in the question? Question में क्या बोल रहा है?
Double.
The power requirement for mixing the factor when the impeller diameter is constant, rest everything is doubled when everything is constant. Means n is constant, Pn is already constant, rho is constant, everything is constant. So what do you have to do? P equal to Pn into d to the power 5 n to the power 5. Take the ratio, this all things will get cancelled. Yes or no? तो यही लगाया हम लोगों ने. And the answer is 2 by 1 to the power of 5 and P1. So it is 32. How many of you got the answer? Are Aya.
Yes, sir.
So how you have to remember? Q, P and P and D. What? 2, 1, 3. Yes or no? अरे हाँ या ना? याद रहेगी टेबल?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is pump affinity now, mixing impellers और power loss. तीनों में एक आएगा. Okay? Clear? अरे
Yes.
हाँ या ना पब्लिक?
Yes, sir. So please बता दीजिए sir.
हाँ?
लिखना sir, लिखना.
ओके कुछ नहीं है, ये याद करने का तरीका है. इजी. चलो नेक्स्ट पोल दिख रहा है क्या अगला वाला?
नहीं.
No, sir.
Now,
Yes.
and those who are not able to see the poll, I am just dropping the question here only. Isha, are you ready for the next question? Isha? Hmm. मेरा व्हाइट बोर्ड दिख रहा है ना एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
So this is the same concept which Isha have taught recently. Yes or no, Isha? Hello, am I audible? Things which are most common word. That's it. Those who have answered, taken this through in thing in the consideration, खत्म, game हो गया आपका. अरे आया answer.
Yes, sir.
So those who have already answered in the poll, just +1 कर दो तो हम लोग पता चल जाएगा हाँ they particular. So only 22% have been have answered. This is really less. At least 40% करो तभी तो मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा. Only 25% till now. Quick. ढाई मिनट हो गए यार. No one has answered more than this. Is hardly 35 or 40 seconds question. Okay. Subham, Manna, those who are regular students. हो गया? सूरज, शुभम, आयुषी, everyone. क्या नहीं हुआ?
सर हमें विस्कोसिटी सेंटीपोइस में ही रखना है कि पास्कल?
पास्कल में लेनी है.
Is it
I
required?
have told you Shubham, that it is required.
No,
but
no.
I told you in the slide, units should be in either meter, kg, second or Pascal.
शुभम यार यहाँ गलती नहीं कर सकते यार. Right? तो इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ. Is it required? What you are thinking? चलो, GATE 2027 का क्वेश्चन है. Yeah, one more thing. Similar type of tough problems you will be seeing in our test series if you are registering for test series. And just a promotional thing. Test series जो लोग purchase करना चाहते हैं, those who are not a regular student, they can purchase the test series. If you purchase now, you will be getting flat 50% discount. The coupon will be shared in the end of the session. Okay. Original price is 199, but you will get it in 999. And it covers all subject of XE, that is thermo, fluid, Excel also, all subjects like except like XE, the combination is fluid, thermo, maths, GA and food. Okay. Whereas for Excel, same thing, biochemistry, chemistry, micro and food and GA. So those who want to take it, purchase it. The offer is only valid till 25th of November. That's it. So this was a promotional. The coupon code will be shared in the group. Those who want to go ahead, you can take, and the test series are really good. If you want to see, you can. And one more thing, those who want to attempt GATE papers as a real mock, you can freely access it, okay, free of cost on our website. Tamal, website ka link share kar dena, Isha, you can also share it. Chalo, cool, aage badhe. So shall I solve this question?
Yes, sir.
Arey bhai sahab. Chalo. I'm sharing the results, and the results is here. Yeah. So what is given? It is given V dot, okay? That is 3.5 meter cube per hour. That is nothing. It is also known as Q. That's denoted with Q, not anything. So this was given, right? Q was given. And what is given? Diameter is given 0.475, sorry. And mu is given as 15.43 into 10 to the power minus 3. So what we need RE, right? Yes or no, public? So everything was given, V was not given, it was given Q, okay? And rho equal to 1232 kg per meter cube. This unit is meter cube per hour. We need meter per second, yes or no? So what we'll do, we'll divide by area. No need to go anything, just put directly here. So 1232 into 3.5 by 3600, because to convert into meter cube per second, into divided by 0.785 into d square, that is 0.00470475 square, multiplied by d, that is again, just write d, okay? Let's, for the timing, just write d. So pi by 4 d square, d से d गया, d only बचा. So what used to write pi by 4 directly, public, regular students?
0.785.
खत्म, yes or no? So solve it, खत्म हो गया 3600, 0.0475, 15.43 into 10 to the power minus 3. Answer will come like 2081.47. ये एक और आंसर आएगा, चेक कर लेना. ठीक है public?
Sir.
Now you quickly answer so that we can give more time on the solution part. Okay? ठीक है? This is done. Next poll.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for next poll?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Go
sir.
ahead.
Yes,
Show
sir.
it. Cool. Go ahead. Quick. दिख रहा है पोल? And not more than 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Submit.
Hello. So what is the formula of power number? Public. Power requirement or power consumed. This is power divided by rho and q and d to the power 5. खत्म. अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
So power consumption क्या होगा? Multiply हो जाएगा, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's it. And what is this? This is the liquid density in खत्म. अरे हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Easy. चलो 22% people have answered the same answer, and the answer is in your screen. Just now you've taken the problem through this, yes or no? Can anyone tell me the short trick to remember? अरे हाँ या ना? This is pressure, okay? यही है ना?
Sir, C stands for
C stands की जगह C की जगह तुम Q कर लो, बेटर होगा.
Q.
Q होगा वो. QPRPB. Okay? ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
This is pressure, not power. Remember always. ठीक है? आगे बढ़े. ईशा, take it. Take the charge.
Okay.
Which question you're taking?
I'll share.
Yeah.
Next two questions I'll take.
Yeah,
I'll
go
share
ahead.
the screen.
Have you said?
It's not. Wait, I'm trying. Yeah, coming. So this is the next question, right? Oh. Okay, try everybody.
Yeah, meanwhile, you'll be trying. Isha, what is the answer? Just send me the answer, okay? I'll put it in a poll.
I'll share. I'll share. I'll share. So you all have the poll with you.
Yeah, poll is visible, okay? I think too much time is taken. You could take the question. Almost 2 minutes is done.
Somebody wrote something in the chat.
Huh?
Okay. Okay. Guys, please put Francis in this.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Hello, audible?
Yes.
Ma'am, not properly.
Hello. Okay. 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 What is your you
दी आपका वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा.
Guys, okay, I'll take this problem, okay? Isha, check your net, okay? Guys, hello, are you there? चलो ये problem हम लोग अभी hold रखते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you can take one problem on the screen. मैं share कर रहा हूँ.
hello,
Yes,
hello.
Yeah, now you're audible.
Okay. Sorry again.
You take the whiteboard,
is my
okay?
I'm going to from there. Let me just take it here.
Okay.
Yeah. So how many of you tried this question? Got the answer? Okay, Dheeraj got it. Right?
Yes.
So Dheeraj,
Yes,
yeah, how did you go? How did you do it?
ma'am, simply I balance the units.
Yeah, good one. Actually, that is one way you can do when you are not aware of the formula. Usually, the formula of speed will be given by the capacity into the specific volume by the density, right? This is going to be the formula for the speed of compressor. But suppose you don't know, what will you do then? You just look what they have asked. They have asked for unit. You look at the unit of what? Rotations per minute. And they have given us something meter cube per in each revolution. So some meter cube per rotation they have given. Compresses 50 kg air per minute. Some kg per minute they have given, and some specific volume of air is given, which is meter cube per kg. Some meter cube per kg they have given. So can we manipulate these units to get this? You have to quickly, in case you are not aware what to do. What we can do is we are required rotations per minute. So minute we need in the denominator and rotations we need in the numerator. So we can see that this needs to be inverse. So if we do rotations per meter cube, multiply it with kg per minute, and for cancellation of kg and meter cube, we can just multiply this meter cube per kg. Then we are getting rotations per minute, which is our requirement. So now you just put in the formula values. So kg per minute is here 500, meter cube per kg is your 0.9, and your inverse of this, like, so we'll divide it 0.5 RPM is coming, right? Understood? This is how you have to use, like, instantly modify the situation. Fine. Okay, shall we move on to the next question?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. You all wrote it down, right? Wrote it down, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm changing the slide.
Yeah, so the answer is 9,000, right? Are hi na public?
Yeah.
Dikh raha hai
Yes,
na?
sir.
Wait.
Isha, you can share the next problem. Okay.
This is the next problem.
Okay.
Right.
And the poll has been launched.
Okay. This is what I was telling you about the cylindrical flow inside a pipe.
लोगों को आंसर ही याद है लगता है.
Because I have discussed this one in the class, right? Those who attended the class, they'll know.
And same thing I also taken in the session, boot camp. क्यों? सूरज शुभम?
हाँ सर, ये अभी पेपर में भी था ना. हाँ, 2016 का पेपर है.
अभी हाँ, recently they have given the 2016 paper also, right?
Yes,
as a real model. So
Who
one
will
thing
tell me
Yeah,
that
Isha. Take it.
Your voice is not clear.
Isha,
I
are you
would
there?
like to ask, yeah, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Okay. So you can tell me that when there is a flow occurring through a cylindrical pipe, maximum velocity will be where? Minimum velocity will be where? Maximum shear stress will be where? And minimum shear stress will be where? Tell me. You can tell me axially, distance, axial distance, you tell me.
Maximum velocity at
Ma'am,
center.
Anybody?
R is
You solved this question, right?
The problem, guys, you are speaking continuously one at a time. So you write down the
radial
chat.
velocity.
Write down in the chat box. Write down in the chat box. No need to speak.
Write down in the chat box. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, you write. This is question 1. This is Is my screen not visible?
It is visible now.
Okay. Correct. All of you got the answer correct. Right. Yes. So maximum velocity will be when small r is equal to 0. Minimum velocity will be r equal to capital R. Maximum shear stress will be just the opposite of velocity. R equal to capital R and minimum will be r equal to 0. Where 0 is my center, r is the wall. Fine. Got it? So now that we have discussed this basic concept, we'll apply the formula. U is equal to 1 by 4 mu dou p by dou x r square minus small r square. Now we know that this is going to be 0. So our u max, that will give us our u max value. So if we are to find out u in terms of u max, we'll modify this and come to the conclusion that u is equal to u max times 1 minus small r square by capital R square. So here they have asked us at the radial distance 3 by 4 times r. So u max 1 minus 3 by 4 times r whole square by capital R square. R square will go. This will become 9 by 16. So 1 minus 9 by 16 will come as 7 by 16, right? This is the answer you got. Option B is the correct answer. Fine. Everybody clear with the concept? If some manipulation comes for shear stress also, so you'll be able to do it now, right? You know the formula for shear stress. This is R by 2. And whatever they'll give you, you can do it. If they ask you at R equal to capital R equal to 0, whatever, you'll be able to do it, right? Now, next question, sir, please take. I'll stop sharing screen.
So is it visible? Public?
Yes, sir.
प्रॉब्लम तुमको पता है क्या है? अरे पब्लिक पोल दिख रहा है.
नो सर.
No,
sir.
बोर्ड दिख रहा है सर पोल में.
भाई क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ सर, अब देखा.
Then
आप दिख रहा
so choice 1, choice 2 you guys will be giving, okay? और we will giving in the chat box जो choice आ रही है. ठीक है? क्योंकि इसका आंसर हेलो.
हाँ सर.
बोलो. Hello.
so can you share the question on screen?
सर पोल चला गया.
पोल चले गया.
सर चल गया.
What about whiteboard?
whiteboard is still there.
उस पे क्वेश्चन नहीं है.
हाँ सर, अब आ गया.
आ गया.
ठीक है, क्वेश्चन पोल में आंसर आ रहा है. ठीक है. अरे पोल दिख रहा है पब्लिक? ईशा,
हाँ सर, अब दिखने लगा।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ईशा, are you there?
Am I audible? Yeah, I'm here.
I have sent you something on WhatsApp. Check it.
Okay.
अरे आंसर नहीं आया अभी तक यार, क्या टाइम लग रहा
आ
है
गया
इतना?
सर।
आ गया सर।
बोला करो यार, आई वाज वेटिंग. चलो, share the results and quickly I'm just writing the formula and units. You guys help me in this. Okay, so I equal to rho vd by mu. So v is not given but q is given. Yes or no? So q, v is what? Q by pi by 4 d square, right? है ना public?
Yes, sir.
So rho v की जगह q pi by 4 d square into d upon mu. So it will be like 1029, right? Hey, hi Anna.
Yes, sir.
0.12 as it in meter cube, so we have to divide by 60. Yes or no? And into diameter, that is 2.5 centimeter into 10 to the power minus 2 into pi by 4 into mu. Mu is what? 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Khatam. Solve it, you will be getting 49910.99. अरे आ रहा है कि नहीं?
हाँ सर।
What do you have to write in pi by 4 in place? Never use pi by 4, yeah. Use 0.75 for quick calculation. चेक कर लेना, ये आंसर आएगा हमेशा. इसकी जगह 0.785 रखो क्विकली एंड गेट द आंसर. ठीक, एवरीवन? ओके.
Okay, sir.
या, सो
सर
नेक्स्ट पोल ऑन द लाइन करना है. पोल में मजा आ रहा है, नॉर्मल में मजा आता है?
Normally,
पोल
ठीक है sir.
I'll take the next question. I'll share the screen.
यस श्योर. द फ्रूट जूस वन, राइट?
The different option one.
पावर
Power.
फोर एंड ऑल.
Yes, yes, yes.
ओके, आई हैव शेयर्ड द पोल.
Fine.
ये 30 सेकंड के अंदर होना चाहिए पब्लिक.
Yep.
Isha, are you sharing your slides? Isha, are you there?
Hello, hello. Is my
Yeah,
slide visible?
now it's visible.
Okay. Sorry. Sorry again, everybody.
I can see only 11 people already always answer, 11 to 14 people. So now 46 people have been answered. So you can take the question.
Okay, we release the result of the poll. Okay, fine. Everybody got it.
Mic off, public, mic off.
Fine. So, what did you guys do? Tell me. So they've given x is some p by, this is not p, this is rho, okay, rho n cube d power 5. Y is equal to n squared d by g. So we know power is given by power number into rho into n cube d power 5. We know Reynolds number is given by rho v d by mu, and Froude number is given by v by root dg. So clearly we can see that there is some gravitational acceleration. So this will be our Froude number, because Froude number is inertial force by gravitational force. Here this resembles somewhat, no, although it's not exact, it somewhat resembles Reynolds number. And this one is coming under a power number. But you might be wondering, like, why is there a d square here where it's just rho v d? Can anybody tell me why it is there? Why is there an n square? The Froude number has completely changed. Original Froude number is v by root dg, but here they have n square d by g. So who can tell what is the manipulation they did in the Reynolds number and in the Froude number? Why is it like this?
Subham, Suraj, सिखाया हो? अरे बोलो.
n equal to flow rate है इधर.
अरे n equal to flow rate नहीं होता चाचा, it is RPM.
N is not flow rate.
RPM actually.
RPM. So it
Yeah.
is what? Angular velocity. And what is angular velocity? D into velocity, right? So if you put here D into velocity, like V is equal to, sorry, my bad. V is equal to RPM into D, right? So if you put in this formula, rho Vd by mu, in place of V, we put N times D into D by mu. Then we are getting rho N D square by mu. See? Got it? This is angular. There is an impeller going on. It is rotating. It is a rotational value here coming. Same with the Froude's number also. We do square, then we can remove this root. So we are getting V square by dg, right? Now, instead of V, put N D whole square by dg. So N square D square by dg, dd cancel, N square D by g. Understood why this change is coming? You may like from observation we saw this fine, but be clear about what is actually happening here. Don't, there may be sometime they'll trick you and give you some, if you make some random assumption, they may be able to trick you. So be clear with the basic concepts. Is this fine? So next question, sir, you'll take.
अरे poll is visible, yes or no? बोल भी दो.
Yes, sir.
And whiteboard. Whiteboard भी दिख रहा है ना?
Yes sir.
Sir, दिख रहा है.
Cool. देखो, जिसने 1 मिनट से ज्यादा लिया उसको पाप लगेगा, और जो 1 मिनट से कम लिया वो गेट में लड्डू खाएगा, अच्छे से सिलेक्ट होकर आएगा. चलो क्विक. किसी लोगों को तो आंसर याद है. देखो, जो लोग को आंसर याद है and they are writing the answer, really bad for you guys. कितने लोगों का आंसर याद है? जो 3 लोग मारे हैं. धीरज शर्मा, आंसर याद है क्या?
नो सर,
तो फिर
कैलकुलेट किया है सर, कैलकुलेटर खोल के रखे हैं।
ओके कूल। देखो जो लोगों को आंसर आते हैं ना वो आगे थोड़े मार खाने वाले को, क्या डेटा चेंज होके आ रहा है सब कुछ। सो बी रेडी। चलो I'll take 30 seconds more, then I will unshare the poll, or I'll keep the sharing poll. ठीक है, again row VD by mu, nothing else. क्या दे रखा है? They have given again Q. ये सेम प्रॉब्लम है यार, पर
सर
difference है।
डायमीटर बस चेंज है।
Yes, that's it. वहां पर 2.5 था, यहाँ पर 2.54 है, राइट?
हाँ सर।
So 2014 में ये क्वेश्चन आया था, राइट? हेलो? And
Yes.
this question came in 2015. No changes. You can see this. ये प्रॉब्लम देखना एंड ये प्रॉब्लम देखना. Any change in this problem? Only diameter, right? वही 0.04 से diameter change इनने बढ़ाया है. Sorry, 0.44 से diameter बढ़ा दिया बस. Yes or no? अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
खत्म यार. So I will not be solving this problem. Okay? Isha, you can take the question. Next question.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's shoot. You can see your
Not this.
yeah. So,
Personally, yeah.
पिछले क्वेश्चन का आंसर सबको पता है, 16825 डायरेक्टली लगा देना, वो आंसर है. कमल, अपने YouTube पे जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं उसमें पोल्स दिख रहे हैं क्या, कि नहीं दिख रहा है? समझ माइक. Those who are feeling
The answer
difficult,
coming.
those who are feeling difficulty in Zoom, they can also watch on our YouTube live, YouTube channel also. It's live is going on there. No one have answered yet.
Okay. Um, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the data given. Anybody? Good. Dheeraj, very good. How did you do it, Dheeraj? Just
Ma'am, I put it Reynolds number 2100. After that,
Then?
I found velocity, and
No.
after that I calculate discharge, that meter cube per second, and divided by total volume of tank, that is pi by pi square.
Discharge by
What, ma'am?
what did you do?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
What you said after discharge?
After that, I calculate discharge, ma'am, volumetric flow rate.
Discharge is volumetric flow rate. Yeah. Then what did?
Then ma'am, I found total volume of tank and divide by total flow rate, volumetric flow rate.
Isha, you are not audible. I'm taking this question. Okay. Okay, public. So what is there in the poll? Answer आया ना सबका 19.3 hours.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's take it how we did. बहुत easy है, बहुत easy है. क्या बोल रखा है? Sugar syrup density. This is this.
Hello?
Okay. Yeah, Isha, I'm taking over. Your voice is breaking soon. Okay. Yeah. So what is given? Public follow. Density equal to कितना है? 1040. मेरे को स्क्रीन पे नहीं दिख रहा है. You guys help me. Okay. And viscosity is what? 1.6 into 10 to the minus 3. Yes or no? Pascal second. अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Diameter of tank dt equal to how much? 1.5. Diameter of pipe how much? 3 centimeter. Height of tank equal to how much? अरे बोलो 3 meter. यहाँ से total volume of the tank निकाल लो VT. How much? 1.5 by 4 pi by 4 d square L. Yes or no? 0.75 2.25 into 3 कितना आ रहा है? 785. Okay. बोलो बोलो VT कितना आ रहा है? Volume of tank.
Sir, 5.29.
Meter cube, right?
हाँ sir.
यहाँ से ये आ गया. So VT you got. What do you have to do? You have to do nothing. कुछ नहीं करना है. Okay. So you took time equal to VT by Q. That's it, right? Yes or no? अरे हाँ या ना? So
हाँ sir.
RE से निकाल लेंगे rho VD by mu. So from here velocity you will be getting by RE into mu by rho D. डाल दो. What is RE given? कुछ given है क्या?
सर लेमिनार बोला है.
That's it. Means 2100. Yes or no? अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
2000 क्यों नहीं ले सकते सर?
देखो 2000 किसी में लिख रखा है, कहीं पे 2100 लिख रखा है, कहाँ पे 2200 लिख रहा है. What gate is using? Use 2100 because yeah. Yeah, Isha, tell.
Sorry, it's fine either way. You'll get, if you use 2000, no, you'll get something around 20 point something. So the closest answer you will find it. You will know that what assumption you made and changes will accordingly will occur. So that is fine. Okay.
But most of the
The
time you use
concept is that
2100.
only that.
Yeah, Isha. Go ahead.
Yes, try to use 100 maximum times. But suppose somewhere they have used 2000 to do their calculation and some other value is coming. So don't worry about that. Accordingly, they'll give the range if it is a numeric question. And if not, if it is an option, you'll get to know if from the observing the option only. The concept here essentially is what Dheeraj said, that only. You'll use the maximum possible Reynolds number to find out the minimum time required. Time will be given by velocity by discharge. Yeah. Sorry, volume by discharge.
Yeah, someone was speaking. Tell me. यहाँ से तुम V निकाल लेना. V will be getting, so multiply it by area. Okay. So Q equal to V into area. You'll be getting it, put it there and get the answer. Done. हो जाएगा public. Or shall I solve completely?
हो जाएगा सर.
Okay. So यहाँ से we will be getting something and put it there. So time equal to how much? 5.29 divided by how much? What is the value of Q coming? अरे बोलो. It is coming nearly around. बोलो.
Sir, 7.5 and 10 to the power 5 minus 5.
ठीक है. यहाँ से आ जाएगा. And this is in meter per second. You have to complete into hour. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? लोग गलती कहाँ करते हैं? They keep the time into seconds and the option they are asking in hour and they get confused. Sir, गलत कैसे आ रहा है? ठीक है. So be careful with that. Next question, Isha. Are we having any other further question for momentum transfer?
No, momentum transfer is covered. Are you guys confident in momentum transfer now? Can you quickly see questions in momentum transfer will be just formula based. All you have to do is apply the formula. The problem is going to be with the calculation. remembering the formula and doing the calculations quickly. So are you confident that you'll be able to remember the shortened versions of the formulae and quickly do your calculations?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम एक डाउट है मैम.
Everybody? Yes.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन आता है लेंथ ऑफ द
Ask.
ट्यूब निकालना होता है.
Mhm.
हाँ
तो वहाँ पे
Yes.
वेलोसिटी एवरेज वेलोसिटी होता है या मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी होता है?
Average velocity. It actually, they will ask you, they'll either give you some average velocity, either directly give you or they'll give you the maximum velocity, and from there you have to find the average velocity. Then you do the length calculation.
मैम क्योंकि बुक में क्या किया है मैम, एक जगह पे लेंथ ऑफ द ट्यूब निकालना है, वहाँ पे मैक्सिमम वेलोसिटी से कैलकुलेट किया है, और एक प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन आया था 2016 में शायद मैम, वहाँ पे एवरेज वेलोसिटी से कैलकुलेट किया.
कौन सी बुक है?
अंसारी.
या दैट्स इट, आगे मत बोलना, उसमें बहुत चीजें गलत है. आगे तुम हीट ट्रांसफर सॉल्व करोगे, तुम यू विल बी फेसिंग सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम्स. सो सेम प्रॉब्लम इफ यू आर, या Isha, your voice is breaking, let me finish this. Yeah, okay, so बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. Who is the person who was asking this question?
यस सर.
Where? कौन है नाम?
ऋतिक मनी.
Okay, Ritik, lots of problems are there in this. So if you have similar doubt, you can drop the problem in the workshop group. We will check it out. Okay. So don't get confused with the concept. You are actually right. Okay. So try to बोलो.
वेलोसिटी होता है ना वहाँ पे.
Maximum. What is velocity? क्योंकि maximum velocity you are not always taking because it is on the center only, right? Average velocity का formula है. I have taken one boot camp. I'll make it live for actually कुछ घंटों के लिए मैं live कर दूंगा उसको YouTube पे available. You can watch it. जहाँ पे मैं all about the pipe flow we have taken it. Okay.
Okay sir.
ठीक है. Public. Suraj, I have taken I think that boot camp session in which we have.
वो V average laminar flow वाला ना.
हाँ.
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर.
So similar doubts you guys having and to solve, right? Clear है वो? क्या भी डाउट है उसमें? शुभम, सूरज
हो गया सर.
ओके ठीक है. ऋतिक, वी विल मेक इट लाइव फॉर सम टाइम. कुछ ही घंटे के लिए होगा बिकॉज इट इज अ पेड वर्जन, और उसका या फिर कुछ क्लिप डलवा देंगे हम लोग. तमल, आर यू देयर? टेक द चार्ज. ओके चलो. सो फॉर द टाइमिंग लेट्स टेक 4 minutes break. 11:05 will be coming again and we will be working on size reduction and separations. Mixed problem आएंगे, मजा आएगा. Ready everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Hello.
माइक ऑफ करो यार. Hello, everyone. Hello. Back. Everyone back. +1 karna, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And those who are not here, actually, एक बार someone just write down the group that class has been resumed. Everyone. So by that time, let's take this poll. I have shared some link in the chat box. दिख रहा है क्या? अरे दिख रहा है पब्लिक? एक लिंक डाला है मैंने.
No, sir.
अरे क्या बात कर रहे हो?
No, sir.
Check
नहीं
this
है,
link.
अब आ गया.
Already था ऊपर spam हो गया वो. Isha just type in the group that class has been resumed so that they can join.
Okay.
Quick, we'll be taking one more minute and we'll be stopping it. जल्दी बोलो यार. Only 2% have answered. बाकी लोग interested नहीं ले लगता है session में. देखो, this is PYQ मेला. In future, important tough questions, most expected questions, such session will be coming up. Okay. So those who are interested, till देखो, we will take 6 sessions that is for public. 3 are already been taken. 3 more will be taken. Okay. And then those who want to go ahead with the all session, they have to just those who will take test series, they'll be getting completely free all the upcoming sessions. Okay. And baki to regular students already have access on that. Total 15 sessions are planned for whole food technology revisions and all. And some are a very big sessions. Okay. Okay. Cool. Confidence कैसा है public? High or no? Chat box में high fail जाए. फैला दो chat box में. चलो. I'm stopping. About 80%. Pump loss. ठीक है, mostly Reynolds number. Pump power load. Easy goods. So confident. So a quick revision from the previous session. No one will be using pen. Okay. Okay. F value calculate करना है. When 10 to the power minus 10 to the power plus 8. Okay. Or just 8. No one will be using pen. Okay. Plus 8 to. Okay. And you are using 12D concept. If D value is 2 minutes and 121 degrees Celsius. Quickly. Hello. No pens. Nothing else. आंसर आ गया मेरा. बाकी लोग बताओ. 40. इतना टाइम लग गया? कितना टाइम लगा? Hardly 10 seconds, right? Only one is getting 40.
हाँ सर.
40.
Yes, sir.
Abhi, if I said 6D, then quick.
120.
Huh? 6D I'm saying. Then 28 minutes.
28.
If I'm saying 8D, quick. 32 minutes, sir.
32.
10 to the power 8 to 99.9999999%. Quick.
$30.
30.
30.
30.
ओके, अब फंसाता हूँ. आओ.
ये नहीं होगा.
इसका भी एक जुगाड़ है, सीखना चाहोगे?
Yes,
sir.
चलो, एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन विल टेक दिस. लेना है ना? 444 9.999%. एनीथिंग. सबका एक ट्रिक है. करना है ना?
Yes, sir.
So start.
Yes, sir.
Isha, share those slides which have been shared recently.
Yeah, hold on. 1 minute. 1 second, actually.
Yeah, 42 से only 20 participants. Not good, not good public. ठीक है, आगे से सेशंस कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, ओके? चलेगा?
नहीं, sir.
I think no one is interested. How many of you are XC and Excel? Just write down in the chat box XC, Excel कितने लोग हैं? चलो रहने दो, चैट बॉक्स में मत लिखो, मैं एक पोल ही दे देता हूँ तुमको.
Let me know when the poll is done. I'll share the screen.
You can share the screen, head screen ही रखना बाकी.
It's okay.
Yeah, देखो दिख रहा है पोल? Only 2 are from Excel, rest all are from Excel. So 18 out of 23 have been answered this poll. Others, I just need 20 participants all from Excel. ठीक है, चलो. Cool. So those 2 are from Excel. Write down Excel, okay? Rest all is fine. Okay.
So shall I share the screen?
Cool. Should it? Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. All right. So now we'll be discussing about mixed problems of size reduction and separation.
Yeah.
So do you all remember the formulas or do you need a refresher of the common formulas utilized for size reduction and separation? Do you need a refresher or do you all remember?
Need the refresher.
Hello?
Refresher.
Okay. All right, then the first and most common thing that comes in size reduction will be what? The laws, right? The basic law, sorry, not this. Power, no, actually energy will be given by power by feed rate, which is also given by minus K into R to the power minus N, where K is a constant, N varies. Now, N will either be your 2, or it will be 1, or it will be 3 by 2. Can you tell me all the names of the 3 laws used for size reduction?
Yes, ma'am.
Fixed retention.
Just slow, kick slow, bond slow.
Retangers, X bond,
Bonds.
rate bond. Okay. Remember this order, then you'll have N here. It's N for retangers is 2, for kicks N is 1, and for bonds N is 3 by 2, right? And what will be the energy formula for energy for these? For retanger, it is some constant, retanger's constant, say Kr times 1 by X initial minus 1 by X final, where X is the size diameter or its size of the particle which is being reduced. Like we will be reducing the size from some big size to some small size, right? So this big size will be our X initial and the smaller, the reduced size will be our X final. So this is for retangers. For kicks, we will use ln. So some constant K ln X final by X initial. And for bonds, some constant KB into 1 root over X root over X final. Okay. Can you remember? For bonds, there will be a root equation. For kicks, there will be a ln And for retainers, it will be direct inverse and subtraction. Fine. Remember, another thing you might come across is the critical speed questions. Anybody remembers the formula for critical speed?
1 by 2
Yes,
pi
1 by
root
2
of
pi
r minus.
Under root
Yes.
G R minus R.
0.050 under root r minus r.
अरे शुभम वो created formula है, general formula नहीं बोला.
98.
That is created one from this
Okay.
one.
Use this, always use this. This will reduce your calculations. Use this, okay? This is the same thing, put the values of G and Y and then give you the final one. Fine. Critical speed is done. Also, another important, some rotational speed. Rotational speed, if they have given, suppose, okay, see, commonly, sorry, rotational speed is 65 to 80% of the critical speed. So if they have given you like 70% of the, you find a rotational speed when it is working with some 70% efficiency, then you find out the critical speed. Next, other than that, you'll find that homogenization thing coming commonly. Oh, sorry. Homogenization questions. One thing they'll ask is for velocity of homogenization. That is given by root over 2p by rho, where p is the pressure, homogenization pressure, and your rho is the density of the given milk. Fine. Another thing they'll ask, which is temperature rise. That is given by p by rho Cp. Now, sometimes they'll give you rho Cp, sometimes they may give or may not give. Just know, usually density of like rho Cp value usually comes to around 40. So if you want, you can simplify your formula to p by 40 also. This will give, if you are not given the values of rho and Cp. Another thing, power, what is the formula of power? It is essentially just discharge into pressure, right? Okay. Another thing, okay, angle of nip questions will come for drum drying and all of that. So, anybody remembers formula for angle of nip? Anybody? If let's say it is alpha, then it will be given by cos of alpha by 2 is equal to dr plus dp whole divided by dr plus df. Okay, where dr here is your roll diameter of the roll, dp is the distance between the roll surface and the particles, and df is your feed rate diameter. Fine. Another thing they might ask, coefficient of friction. This is given by mu equal to, just you find the angle of nip and make it tan alpha by 2. Fine. Okay. Capacity also they can ask. Capacity Q will be given by pi into N is your rotating speed or RPM, L is the length, multiplied by dr dp, roll diameter and the distance between the roll surface and the particles. Fine. What else? Fineness modulus. Anybody remembers what are the two types of sieves used for fineness modulus? Huh?
Tyler and Indian standards.
Yeah. Indian. They will mostly give you if we are to use Tyler or if you are to use Indian. So it is given by, the diameter is given by 0.141, sorry, 0.1414. Oh no, sorry. 0.10414 2 into 2 to the power fm, which is the fineness modulus. This we'll have to find. For Indian, it is given by 0.134 1.366 to the power fineness modulus. Okay. Is there any trick to remember this? Last.
Your voice is great.
Yeah, Isha, your
Am I
voice is
audible?
breaking. Yeah, now you're audible.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Mixing index, anybody can suggest methods to remember the values for fineness modulus. Meanwhile, mixing index, can you like see some similarity with something you have studied before in this formula? I'll give you there. S0 will be the initial
Lumped yaad hai public.
And SR is your random standard deviation. And S is required, like final. Hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you find some similarity in the mixing index and lumped head analysis? T minus T, T naught by T, found the similarity. So you can remember the mixing index. Just remember that S naught will be your initial standard deviation, S will be your final standard deviation, and SR will be your random standard deviation. And to find out rate of mixing, which is K, we will use the formula 1 minus M equal to K to the power E to the power minus KT. This is also similar to your lumped head analysis, right? So all of you got the refresher? Do you remember now everything? Everybody noted down everything?
Yes.
So shall we move on to the first question? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Okay. So we'll move on to the first question. So they've given feed rate is ton per hour per 10 kilowatt. And its initial was 3.92 millimeter to X final was 1.25 millimeter, right? They've given that the Bond's law is being applied. Feed rate for reducing size, the same power consumption. Our power consumption is going to be same. P1 is equal to P2. We need to find F2 when our second time in the second operation, our X initial remains 3.92 only, but our X final becomes 0.75 mm. We must have observed one thing, that this is essentially a ratio. Energy will remain same, right? So P1 by F1 will remain P2 by F2. We already know that P1 and P2 are equal. So we can write 1 by F1 will remain 1 by, it will be equal to 1 by F2. Here, this P1 by F1 and P2 by F2 are essentially what? 1 by root over Xi minus 1 by root over Xf, right? Because this is our Bond's law. So the root equation will come. So we can write 1, if this is 1 by root over Xi minus 1 by root over Xf. If you manipulate, then it will give us this whole divided by 1 by root over. This is for first operation. This is going to be for first operation, second operation, Xi. Right? So just put the values 3.92. Minus 1 by root over 0.75. 1 by root over 3.92 minus 1 by root over 1.25. So whatever value comes here, you multiply it with F1 because we have to find out the, so F2 by F1 is coming some value, X will be F1 times X. So what is the answer coming? I have not calculated. Anybody calculated?
Ma'am, 64.78.
It's in poll. Unless the poll has been said, no one will be speaking the answer.
No, I asked. Yeah, okay.
You can see the answer. Isha, 64.67 is the answer. Okay. Isha, yeah.
Right.
Take the next question quickly.
That is your answer. Fine. Got it. Sorry.
Take the next question quickly.
Okay. All right. This one is the homogenization question. I just gave what they have asked. Buffalo milk has density. So they have given the density here. Pressure is given 30 megapascal. Given that acceleration, no pressure loss, the velocity of the milk is titled 2p by rho. So 2 into p is 30 megapascal. You have to convert the megapascal into pascal. So 10 power 6 whole divided by 1030. What is the value coming?
I'm 241.35.
Fine. Meter per second. This is your answer. Fine. These are all direct formula only, right? You might be wondering why they have given this G value. It is because it comes something like V squared by rho G is given by the pressure head. From here you calculate. But ultimately the value boils down to this only. Fine. You don't need to do the derivations. Okay, the next question. Sir, we will take.
Oh, sorry. I was speaking without switching on the mic. Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So public, your answer for this problem. Sorry. So whiteboard is visible. Yes or no? Array, is it visible? Public.
Yes, sir.
So there is. अब हम चलेंगे मिक्स जंबो बूम बूम करेंगे ठीक है ऑलरेडी हेलो
Yes, sir. Yes.
चलो शुरू हो जाओ आई एम शेयरिंग द पोल जिस क्वेश्चन में पोल चाहिए उसमें पोल, जिसमें नहीं है यू शेयर दैट योर आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स। ठीक है पब्लिक, अरे चलेगा। हेलो
हाँ सर, चलेगा।
क्विक, बहुत नकली सवाल है, कोई गलती नहीं करेगा। हेलो ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
शुरू करें? हेलो, चलो enough. I think only 5 people have answered. Very simple, very simple. So before that, let's take the other concept. You can write down if you want. So what is the velocity of settling? Significance क्या है? Anyone? What is the significance? Anyone? अरे बोलोगे?
सर कितनी जल्दी सेडिमेंट हो रहा है?
या काइंड ऑफ बोल सकते हैं. So okay, so like particularly this is your something you have kept the milk only. So at certain time, if you see, if you keep the milk like that, something will settle here, right? कुछ अगर dense particle हो. So higher the density, faster it will settle. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
अरे हाँ या ना? Higher density, faster settling. देखो एक कंसेप्ट बता रहा हूँ, गेट पे क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है. और नो? Hello. Okay. So question came like the velocity of settling is direct. It is affected by. So we have to always remember if it is general with the help of density or no other external force. तो यहाँ पे VG याद करना. For me, I used to remember with the some notations only. So it is what? Anyone? One thing is common. Okay, G D square P. Okay, cool. Then rho P minus rho. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
And what is this rho? Anyone? This is like if two materials are there in the particle, two solutions, two kind of liquids are there. So liquid 1, liquid 2. Okay. So rho 1 minus rho 2, or rho 2 minus rho 1, the bigger minus smaller. So, okay, public, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where there is particularly gravitational forces acting, GT square P by 18 mu. This whole thing are going to be constant for when you are applying centrifugal. So omega 1. So what is their formula? Omega square R D square P delta rho
by T9.
हाँ या ना? अरे public, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now this is two formulas. Third formula you will be writing G fold number. Those who want full explanation how it came, just watch my centrifugal lessons. उसमें इतना मसाला है ना, you will be right, मजा आ जाएगा. Okay, so G fold number simply remember V square by GR. Okay, and what is this V square? Anyone? Omega R. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And how we write omega? 2 pi n, sir. And n is what? RPS or RPM? What is this? RPS or RPM? Sir, it should be in
RPS.
RPS. So the question generally comes like they give you the frequency or what? They give you the time of rotation. So can you calculate time? N से क्या निकालोगे? 2 pi by f, yes or no? यही होता है ना? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो इतना डीप में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम बताऊंगा मैं. For the timing you remember this. So 2 pi n should be in RPS, put it, get the answer. So now इस प्रॉब्लम में क्या था? This problem, let's take this problem. What they given? G fold number. So G fold number, what is the formula? अरे एनर्जी कम लग रही मेरे को.
V square by R.
अभी भी कम है. V square by G और V square by GR, right? Yes or no? What they are saying? Say doubling both the spinning speed and ball diameter. So G1 by G2, nothing else. So G cancel हो जाएगा. Everything is V square by R and 2V whole square by 2R. यही है ना? हाँ या ना?
Yes.
So what is coming? क्या आंसर आ रहा है? 8 आ रहा है क्या?
हाँ सर.
Is it? Hello? So what it's saying? So we need what? G2 by G1. It should be 8 coming. आएगा कि नहीं आएगा?
हाँ sir.
How many of you got confused with this? बताता हूँ मैं, चलो. They are asking how many times the G2 the G number has been increased. So what you have to take? You have to take the ratio of G2 by G1. So 2 pi n, okay, you are increasing that whole square, okay, divided by GR. यही है ना? अरे हाँ या ना?
R square.
R square भी आएगा. अब रेशियो ले लो. So this is also doubling. So यहाँ पे 4 आ जाएगा. 2 pi n whole square GR into, that's it, R square. So R square cancelled out. 4 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. 4 into 4 into 4 and यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 2. That's it. खत्म. हाँ या ना? अभी भी कंफ्यूज्ड है. चलो और सिंपल बताता हूँ. हेलो, am I audible now?
Yes sir.
2 pi is cancelled everywhere. Only there is n square R square and divided by R. Okay, n square R square divided by R. How you do? Simply ये डबल हो रहा है तो 2n square n square, यहाँ पर 2R square R 2R खत्म. तो एक 2R गया, R बचा, R cancelled, R बचा cancelled. Directly 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 खत्म. 8 आंसर आएगा. Quickly next problem लिखेंगे. Isha, what is the next problem? You are taking on as to take.
I'm taking.
Yeah, go ahead. Cool.
So you can see. Try solving. Here they've given Rittinger's law. So apply, you know the formula, apply it. Another thing, they have asked for power requirement, right? So our feed rate is constant here. Power is changing. That is what we have to find. What is the formula we are going to apply? Anybody? Anyone? What is the formula for Rittinger's law?
E is equal to Rittinger constant by 1 by
1 upon KR.
1 by x initial, right? Here, this, since it's a constant, you can remove it because we are supposed to find this in ratio format, right? So whatever is constant, it goes away. So this will be P by F is equal to 1 by x final minus 1 by x initial, right? So here we can write P1 by F1 by P2 by F2 is equal to 1 by XF, sorry, minus 1 by XI, 1 by XF minus 1 by XI 2, right? So here F1 will be constant only. So we will have P1 by P2 is equal to, what is the here 1 by X final of initial country, 1 by 20. This is not PM, it's mu M, okay. 1 by 25 minus initially it was 500, right? Whole divided by 1 by what there was for 20 minus 1 by 500. Fine. So what is the value of P1 by P2 coming? Something will come, then what?
0.79.
0.79. Okay, fine. So then we'll have, sorry. P1 is given as 10 kilowatt, right? P1 is 10 kilowatt. So our P2 will be 10 by 0.79. What is the answer coming? Some 12 point something? 12.663.
0.63.
Fine. This is your answer. Fine. This is all just calculation. Try to minimize the calculation by finding out the ratios. Next question, sir, you'll take, please. Hello? So are you there?
Yeah, screen visible, Isha?
Yeah.
So which you have taken? Granulated sugar, right?
Yes.
So एक क्वेश्चन है मास एनर्जी बैलेंस का है, बट वी विल टेक इन थोड़ा लेटर. एक अच्छा वाला प्रॉब्लम करते हैं यहाँ से. The same type of problem. Now, Bolo, quick. So what is the formula for Ittinge's law? Public. No one is going to speak.
KR1 minus 1 upon XI minus 1 upon XF. Retanger.
यही है ना सेटअप?
Yes, sir.
So what is saying energy required to reduce the size from 12 mm to 4 mm is this. The energy required needed to reduce the same from 1.2. So what is saying? So 12 to 4 and 1.4 to 0.4. What do you take? You don't need to calculate KR, you don't need to calculate anything. Any change in the feed rate? He said, no sir. Feed rate में कोई change बोला है? Hello, public. Feed rate में कोई change बोला है?
No, sir.
So E equal to PYF, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So no change, directly we'll take E. So E1 by E2. Okay, KR cancel everything. I'm writing. चलो एक बार formula लिख देते हैं. 1 by 1 x2, 1 by 1 x1. यही है ना formula?
Yes, sir.
So always when there's this problem of ratio comes, okay, problem of ratio comes, try to make some type of structure like this. Okay, so it will visible, make you visible. Okay, so KR cancel. Directly I'm writing 1 by 4. Okay. So if they are asking that energy needed to reduce the same. Okay, so E1 we know, E2 have to calculate. So let's take the ratio of E2 by E1 better, and directly it will be coming up. Hello. So E1 निकाल सकते हो public तुम? Or is given?
Given है.
Given है, खत्म. So what is left? Sir, simply we will be writing answer, nothing else. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12 upon 1 by of 0.4 minus 1 by of 1.2. देखो कुछ similarity है. यहाँ से तुम 10 common ले लो. So it is 4, 12. cancelled out 1 by 10, so 10 into 10 खत्म. Easy है.
Yes, sir.
रेशियो दिखा तुमको what I am saying?
हाँ सर.
Okay, it's 1.2 ना, यहाँ पे 1.2 लिखना है. मैं 14 लिख देता, गलती, my bad. So it's simple.
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you make such kind of structure, directly तुमको दिख जाएगा. So no need to apply the formula also, because we know this by this and this by this. हाँ या ना, फॉर्मूले की जरूरत पड़ी
नहीं सर.
खत्म. आगे बढ़े. अरे अच्छा लगा टेक.
Yes, sir.
ईशा,
Sir.
नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. ईशा, are you there?
Yes, I'll share.
देखो, why we are taking joint answer, joint session, because दोनों के अलग अलग कंसेप्ट हैं, दोनों के अलग अलग तरीके हैं. So you will be learning multiple concepts in a single session on similar type of concepts. Yes or no?
हाँ sir.
So it's your choice. You have to, which one method you like, you go ahead with. Sometime which method clicks, that's better. Okay.
Okay, and then again, same thing. Size reduction, same concept, everything is. So tell us what is been asked.
So ये problem भी हवा में हो सकता है. It's only up to your thinking. Okay.
They have given, we are going to, X initial is 6 mm, final is 0.12, power is given 10 HP, assuming Rittinger's equation. So we'll apply Rittinger's. Right? The power HP of motor. Okay, they are asking in HP only, so we don't need this at all. And our second operation, where our X final 2 will be 0.08. P1 is given, P2 we have to find out, right? So P1 by P2, again, feed rate is constant here, as you can see from the question. So 1 by XF minus 1 by X1 of first operation. Second operation. So we have 1 by 1, 2 minus 0.1 by 6 by 1 by 0.08 minus 1 by 6. What is this coming?
I'm 15.11.
15.11. Okay, then our P2 will be P1 by 15.11, which is 10 by, right?
So nearly around 0.34.
Is it?
No, 0.65.
6618, something like this is coming. Fine.
Yeah, 2 by 3.
Everybody got it? This is easy, right? You can all do it, right?
Yeah, you can answer and you can go ahead. I'll take the next problem.
Fine, fine, all right.
So quick, next problem. Boom. दिख रहा है?
नहीं.
अरे क्या बात कर रहा था?
हाँ अभी दिख रहा है.
अरे दिख रहा है?
हाँ सर दिख रहा है.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. कोई आंसर बोलेगा नहीं. If you have the answer, when I will say write in the chat box, that time you write in the chat box. Okay. Isha, be ready with the next problem you are taking. Okay.
So check WhatsApp once.
Hello, am I audible?
Sir.
Now, what is given? The velocity of 2.2 diameter fat particles inside a centrifuge running at this, okay, is 0.25. So VT1, okay, is how much? 0.25 mm per second, and is going to some VT2, yes or no? Now, with the diameter of initial 2.2 micrometer to how much? 1.5 micrometer, yes or no? And RPM is from 6,000 to Rehayana public.
हाँ सर
Picture आ रहा है? What is the formula of VT inserting? So it is omega square R sir D square P into delta rho upon 18 mu. Yes or no? अरे हाँ या ना, यही फॉर्मूला है राइट? नहीं है क्या? So we know delta rho is not required, 18 mu is not required. Only thing is this. So what we will be doing, and also saying R is also constant. Yes or no? Same centrifuge. R is also same. So VT2 by VT1 is what, sir? Nothing. Omega square of 2. Hold on. Omega square of 2 into D square P upon omega square of 1 into D square P. यही है ना? इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. No need to put a value of that. Simply write n square 2 upon n square 1 into D square 2 into D square 1. यही है ना? Hello? Is it? नहीं है क्या?
हाँ सर.
So what is that? Nothing, sir. VT2 equal to 0.25 times of, now N2 by N1, 7,500. I'll take the next page, okay? V2 by V1, 7,500 by 6,000 whole square, and another J, 1.5 divided by 2.2 whole square. यही है ना? So V2 equal to 0.25. कितना आ रहा है? It is how much? So it is nothing, sir. It is 5 by 4. 15. If you multiply by 1500. So 25 by 16 multiply by, if you take this. Okay. So it is 2245 divided by 2200 square. Hi, Anna. Easy calculation. 576. Get the answer. What it's coming. Quick. कितना आ रहा है?
0.18.
0.18 के आसपास आएगा कुछ, राइट?
हाँ सर.
खत्म. इजी है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, कंसेप्ट हियर इज जस्ट टेक द डायग्राम्स यार. 1 से 2 जा रहा है, यहां से यहां जा रहा है. सो इट वाज 2.2 माइक्रोमीटर एंड 1.5 माइक्रोमीटर. यही है ना?
Yes, sir.
एंड वेलोसिटी 6,000 से or 7,500 to 600. This only. So we have VT1. Calculate VT2. Easy. Similar, just like we have solved for size reduction. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? आगे बढ़े. Next problem.
हाँ सर.
Isha, next mine or yours?
Ask one, sir, Paddy, when you take.
Oh, cool. Nothing is there in this. Okay. Done? दिख रहा है?
हाँ सर.
Yes sir.
क्या लगेगा? Is it a concept of size reduction or any other thing?
Sir, separation efficiency.
Think. It is mass energy balance. Anyone thinking that way? Is a mass balancing? Anything else is required in this? Let me take. Okay. Assume 100 or 1000 gram is there. Okay. Hello? Public. चलो 100 से solve करते हैं. लोग बोलेंगे why sir 100 को नहीं use किया, चलो 100 use कर लेते हैं. I can solve even with 1 also. Okay. Let's take 100. So 100 was the total rice. Total paddy. Okay. Paddy में इतना 100 gram was the total. So paddy is consist of what? Sir, it consists of husk, so bran and endosperm or polished rice. Yes or no? Sir. So let's talk about paddy minus husk. What do you get? What do you get?
Brown rice.
And brown rice minus bran. What do you get?
Polished rice.
So put it 100 minus 20 equal to 80 and 80 minus of 80 into 0.06 because 6% in the brown rice. Yes or no? 6% in the mill to remove 6% during polishing. So during polishing matlab already iske andar tha. In this the 6% was there. So get the answer 80 minus how much? Hello? कितना आ रहा है? 4.8. Yes or no? So how much? 75.2 gram. That is how much? 75.2%. Yes or no? अरे आया? Tough था क्या? Mass balance ही था ना, कुछ नहीं था. Only you should know the concept of this. Tough. अरे tough था public. Okay, Mayank Dixit have answered in 2. So ये concept कितने लोग click किए थे before I solved? Anyone? How many of you clicked this question concept? +1 करना. Those who clicked this before. Mayank. Hello. Cool. Now, बहुत easy है. आगे वाले problems और मजा आएगा. Isha, next is mine or yours?
Okay, I'll take some.
Okay. If you want or shall I take the pineapple one? Okay, you
I'll
take
take
pineapple one. Yeah, cool.
Is it visible, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. This is another question for your terminal velocity, except for here it's not angular, it's just gravity separation, right? What is the formula you're going to apply here? Everybody? Anybody? What
GT
is
square delta rho upon 18 mil.
Yeah, correct. So here we have G is 9.81. We'll take D. 160 μm is given, but one thing is that answer has been asked in mm. So we can write it μm to mm. We can convert as 10 to the power minus 3, right? Minus 3 whole square. And then this is 1075 minus 1015 whole divided by 18. Since we are already doing it mm conversion, we can keep this one. Or you can all convert it into the whole SI units. The answer will come same. So what is the value all are getting?
अब तो जी को भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना.
Sorry. Okay. Yeah, you will have to convert this one also into mm per second. Some 0.872 answer is coming. Is it? Guys, you do the full don't do these things. It may confuse. Just do it in regular SI unit only. Right. So from here you will get some 0.00087 something in meter per second. So you multiply it with 1000, you'll get 0.872 millimeter per second. Is that fine? Everybody? Okay, 854 is also fine. I think I'm getting some different value because I'm taking direct calculations. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, next question, sir. The answer is between that 0.8 to 0.9 only.
Isha, done with that problem?
Yes, sir. So I've been answer.
Yeah, so the problem for the next question is here. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Get 2017 question. Applied. It's easy and it's peasy also. अरे दिख रहा है?
हाँ सर.
Now? ज्यादा टाइम नहीं दूंगा मैं, सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. Done, public. So what is said? Is it the problem of separation, effectiveness, or mass energy balance?
Mass.
Public, कहाँ का क्वेश्चन लग रहा है?
Mass balance.
But इधर separation में दिया हुआ होगा. Because some might think this and that. So anything is there in that. Assume particularly what is given. क्या दिया हुआ है? Hello? क्या कर रहा है? Anyone will tell me? Let's assume the soybean as 100 kg. तो solvent कितना required होगा? 50 kg because it is in 0.5 to 1. Sorry, 1 to 0.5. If you talk about this, yes or no? If it is, this is done. What do you do about dabba banao, khatam karo, khatam. Yes or no? 100, 50, and something is here. Yes or no? And
Yes, sir.
public.
Yes, sir.
Khatam. So do I have to solve the answer? Or you guys will be solving this? What is the solvent effectiveness? Effectiveness matlab total oil. So initially it was in 18%, right? Yes or no? What is the oil content coming here? So oil content final upon oil content initial. That is your EF. Khatam. Are ha ya na? This is only known as effectiveness in this whole problem. Rest all was mass energy balance. So I won't go for solving this because मैं बहुत अच्छे problem करवा चुका हूँ mass energy balance में. So next problem I am giving something unique for effectiveness क्योंकि सब लोग effectiveness के लिए रो रहे हैं. तो आओ and see this problem जहाँ पे धमाका होगा, okay? And I want जो लोग वो फॉर्मूले से करना चाहते हैं मैं वो फॉर्मूला भी दे देता हूँ तुम लोगों को. And if you know the shortcut, you can apply the shortcut also. Go ahead, show it. Isha, next problem you take it, okay?
Sir, it's over.
Really? Now we have next psychrometry and refrigeration, right?
Yeah.
And drying and dehydration. सूरज शुभम प्रॉब्लम क्लिक किया. आयुष नंदी
हाँ
क्या लगाना है? अरे क्या लगाना है?
so good in P upon वाला formula.
Isha, you want to take this question?
Sir, you go ahead.
Hey. Okay, so answers are coming in the chat box or not? No, इतना टाइम लग रहा है. Shall I take or you are solving?
so 1 minute.
भाई 1 मिनट से ज्यादा भी नहीं लगना चाहिए यार ये प्रॉब्लम में. 5-star problem, okay? ओए ओए. अरे नहीं हुआ. 41% sir. Only 2 got the answer. Where is Hilal? Where is Dheeraj and all? Are you there? Ritik Mani. Are you guys there?
Yes, sir. Solving.
इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए यार. कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगा रहे हो? Dheeraj, Ritik, which formula you are putting?
सर फॉर्मूला में कंफ्यूजन है सर.
भाई साहब जरूरत ही नहीं है फॉर्मूला की. Public, IUC Nandi, tell me what is the formula? What is the shortcut, not formula? Suraj also or Subham Manna? Anyone want to speak?
Good in product and by good in feed in into bad in product non-product and by bad in feed in.
Good at product end.
Product end.
Thereby good at feed end. Yes or no? And
Bad in non-product.
one. बस यही चाहिए था ना. This is effectiveness. And you guys might have applied something, this dangerous formula, this minus this into this minus this into something multiplied divided by this minus this. ये लगा है ना बाकी लोग? ऋतिक मनी, Hilal and everyone. अरे हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तुमको बताता हूँ exact formula. Can anyone tell me what was that? उसका भी shortcut बताया हुआ है. सूरज बोलना.
Sir, P into P minus R.
नहीं, product into product minus.
Product minus feed.
Okay.
Feed minus non-product.
Feed minus non-product.
Into 1 minus non-product.
Into 1 minus non-product. तो कैसे याद रखना है? Product into product minus feed. Feed minus non-product into 1 minus non-product. सबका नंबर आएगा अब नीचे. Feed into 1 minus feed into product minus
non-product
whole square. Yes or no? How many of you applied this formula? Write down in the chat box +1. जो लोग ये फॉर्मूला लगाए भयानक सा वो लोग +1 करेंगे. गौरव साकरे, तूने मतलब लेक्चर्स नहीं देखे लग रहा है. Shiva Vignesh, you also didn't watch the lecture. Okay. And how many of you don't know the above shortcut which have we are good upon product wala? Just put -1 those who don't know the above one. Dheeraj, Ritik Mani and all, you know the above one.
सर पता था वो क्लिक ही नहीं किया उस टाइम.
अच्छा चलो आओ देखो कुछ धमाका करेंगे. So this product formula I won't use, no importance on that. देखो काम करना, I'll tell you. When the exact mass and some percentage is given na, always use this formula. And when they give fractions or mass fractions, then use product into product minus feed. एक बार सब अपने अपने साथ मेरे साथ बोलेंगे. Don't open the mic, just write down in your notebook. Product minus feed minus non-product and to 1 minus non-product divided by feed 1 minus feed and product minus non-product whole square. कितना टर्म होना चाहिए? 4, 4 by 4. So 1 2 3 4 4 होना 1 2 3 and 1 2 and 2 4. अरे याद हो जाएगा इस तरीके से. पब्लिक याद रहेगा? For remembering this formula, someone was getting confused with the formula. So now I have given the shortcut how to remember this bulky formula. Now let's talk about this thing. So it's simply mass energy balance, nothing else. This is shorter. Okay. So this is good, bad. This is feed end. Okay. Feed end. Here, product end. And this is non-product end. Yes or no? So what is your product? Sir, fresh mangoes. Yes or no? Hi. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. अरे भाई समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं what I'm writing here?
हाँ sir.
So in this 2 things will be there. In this also 2 things will be there. So product is fresh mango. Okay. So fresh mango and rotten mango, fresh mango and rotten mango. In feed end, that is fresh mango and rotten mango. Okay. So they said total is 200 kg. Okay, but fresh mango is how much? Sir, 200 minus of 4.5% of 200. Yes or no?
हाँ सर.
So fresh mango कितना आएगा सर? बहुत इजी है, 190. हाँ या ना?
191 है सर.
हाँ सर.
191. Yes or no? So F equal to 191. R is 9 kg. Yes or no? यहाँ से निकल गया feed end से. Let's talk about this. So it is saying how many? Let's talk about what is the question? Saying, sir. Okay, so let me remove this formula first. बहुत easy है, आराम समझा रहा हूँ because this is new for some people. ठीक है? So simply feed end, okay, product end and non-product end. Fresh, rotten, fresh, rotten, fresh, rotten. So total was 200. 200 का 0.5%. Okay, 4.5%. So this is 9 and this is 200, 180. Yes or no? 191. Total 200 kg हो गया. Now product is 185% of 181.5 is fresh and 5.11 at non-fresh. Yes or no? Clear? Hello.
sir.
And what is remaining? So non-product, this is mass energy balance. So this minus this, it equal to this. Calculate करो कितना आ रहा है? 8.5 or 9.5?
9.5.
9.5. और यहाँ कितना 9 था? minus 5.11. कितना आ रहा है? 3.8.
3.9.
अब the formula of effectiveness is, what is the formula? Good of product end upon good at feed end. So 181.5 upon 191 multiply by bad at non-product end, that is 3.89 divided by bad at feed end, that is 9. कितना आ रहा है आंसर?
41.07.
So it should be in, if not as in percentage, write in the fractions or decimal only. So it's 0.41. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Ritik Mani, new है कुछ? धीरज?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it easy? Huh?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Easy.
Okay. So such type of more shortcuts are there in future, it will be coming. Okay. बहुत सारे, अगर if you have taken the course जैसे इन लोगों ने ले रखा है उनको पता, they know very much. ठीक है, आगे बढ़े. Next problem. Isha, it was next, is yours or mine?
It's over, sir.
Oh, size reduction is over. So let's take 5 minutes break, then come back for refrigeration, freezing, drying.
Psychrometry also.
Yeah, psychometry also. So 5 minutes लेना है नहीं लेना है? ये कंटिन्यू करें?
लेना है सर.
ठीक है, 5 minutes break. Okay, guys. Hello, are you there? Are you there, guys? Hello, hello, hello. I'm audible.
Most likely they're not. They went for a break.
Yes, sir.
Let's wait for. So we are stopping the